Hello friends, if you watch my previous video about motorcycle, you know, before you change the oil you need to then warm up to the engine. With the vehicle I do the same, a little bit waiting when the engine is warm up, and after that we start to change oil. And that's it. Maybe many from you know how to do this, but maybe somebody this video will be helpful, and you can change the oil in the home, and you don't need give them more money in the official service. I always do something like that, little bit drive up to the engine bay, because under the car is the screw where you, when you open, get out to the old oil. Okay, little bit waiting when engine warm up and start the work. Okay, engine is warm up and we can start to the work. Before we start, I show you which oil and the oil filter and air filter, what company I use. The oil is Romanol, is the good company, Germany company. This is the oil for BMWs, especially for this engine. And filters I use Fabi. You can use what company you want, Machel or Bosch or Kneck. This engine is not brand new, and this filter is quite good. And some tools, not very much. One screw is under the car, and there you will need the 36, and I show you after that. Okay, start the work. And one more thing, oil capacity is 6.5 liter, and I show you how to do this. I always bring first 6 liter, after that I bring the last 1 liter and check the oil level. The first what you need to do, open the bolt. There's the number 17, and be careful because the oil is the hot. I drive with this oil only 2000 kilometers, but how me teach one old mechanic, when he go to the school, the teacher said 10,000 or 1 year. 1 year is go around, and this is the reason why I changed the oil. Yeah. Okay. There is nothing very hard. Just open the bolt and waiting when the oil going out. Yeah, sorry, a little bit lie you. There is you need buy 36. This 36 tool not always is included in standard tool complex. Yeah, you need buy like that, because this is the 36. And when this oil going out, you need to open this oil filter, oil filter cap, and after that more oil getting out. Easy. Open this plastic cap, and that's it. And you will hear when you open this cap, more old oil getting out. take the new oil filter and change this. I always these numbers put to the upside, not that, but like that. I don't know if this is the right or not, but I doing like that. And this old filter just put out. There need little bit power. Filter is not looking very good. 1 year, but not very perfect. And there is inside little bit old oil. You can everything bring in the container. Okay, clean everything. And you hear there was like little bit click, and this is the right position. And what else? There is this ring. This is this ring going under the car. Where is the screw when the close to the hole are getting out the oil, and you need change this ring as well. You need some tools to take up and get off this, and that's it. And I always use some lubricant or old oil to little bit lubricate this new one. And clear a little bit there inside. There is the filter hose, and lubricate just like that, and that's it. Careful, close this. There is the numbers 25 Newton meters. If you bring your car to the official dealer or special service, maybe these guys close with this Newton meters, but how I say, this cap is not young. This Newtons is for new part. If this part is not young, you need close with your hand power. Be careful, not very strong, not very weak. That's it, and everything must be perfect. Okay, what the next one, we change to the air filter. How you see, this part is the very easy for me. I think for you as well, if you're doing like I show you. There is the only 2 clips. Push these clips, open this box. There is the 1 clips and 2nd clips. Take out the old one. He is looking very nice because he is only 2000 kilometers. But this filter cost €3, and this is the reason why I buy a new one. That's it. Put back to the box, and 1 click, 2nd click, and that's it. And that's it. Filter is changed, and this filter as well change. Okay, the bolt is the close. the last what we need to do, we bring inside the new oil, and that's it. This job is very easy, 1 hour maximum, and that's it. First 5 liter getting in, and after that we take 1 liter can and start the watching the oil level. Okay, 600-700 grams put inside, and that's it, and be okay. After that we need to then stay straight to the car, because we have little bit altitude, small altitude. Now we can a little bit, we check, yeah, there's the minimum, yeah, it's close, perfect. Little bit stay engine running, because we need all new oil to go in engine position, and after that we turn off and get to the final oil level. Engine work very good. He like this oil. Okay, and that's it. Bring little bit more oil. Check all time the level. You need the level is here, yeah. This is the maximum. If the middle, this is also okay. And that's it. Bring inside little bit. After 1 minute, check the level, and the work is the finish. Thank you to the watching. If you like my channel, subscribe. If this video was the helpful, this is nice. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.